Thank you. I'm not telling you that.
Come on, dude.
James.
I'm going straight home.
James, I know what you're on trial for. You're gonna leave here gambling with somebody else's life, driving like that.
Dude.
Just get out of here before I call the cops. Can you believe he was voted most charming?
Yeah, I can see that. What is this trial about?
Oh, this is a description of this drunk driver who ran a family off the road. Now the family's having a battle with the insurance company until they can find who was at fault. Is that gonna be it for you?
Yeah, 1 second.
Ooh, car problems?
Yeah, Squeaky Gate.
It's the worst. Here you go. You take care.
Thanks.